The vintage oak vending machine. It vends 2-inch capsules. It's a nice machine in used condition. This auction does come with 100 pre-filled capsules. They're all made in India, mostly silver and gold jewelry type pieces. So if you vended that through this machine, that would be $50 worth of merchandise. This machine's in working order. It is complete. Comes with a cash box. Everything about it works well. Hopper's in good shape. Key and lock work well. Plexiglass panels. Stainless steel top. There is some wear. There's a small dent. Little tiny bit of rust spots on the top. The bottom shows some surface rust. It's still very functional, and you can't notice it. Doesn't affect the cosmetics. Take a glance at the back, and we'll take a look at this machine in action. It's a nice solid machine. It's about 10 inches across and just over 23 inches tall. So let's have it vend here, 50 cents, and I'll give it a spin. We'll get that red alright. There we go. We'll toss it in the box, 101. And then vend again here. Go notice there are 2 in there, and we'll just put that 1. It works like it should. Alright, well thanks for looking. This is up for auction. Works well. It comes with over 100 such capsules. In fact, let's load them up right now and see what it looks like loaded. I'll spin this off. Pop off the top. Very easy to work with. I'll take a look at the bottom of the top there. Inside the machine. And we'll go ahead and fill it up with the capsules. This is ready to Alright. Machine comes loaded with 100 capsules. Thanks very much for looking.